California Beamers and Teslers, located at 1425 Baker Street, Costa Mesa, California, off the corner of Harbor and Baker, off the 405, right here in sunny, beautiful Costa Mesa. They have a lot of different EVs here. Here are some Model 3s, different colors, different rims, different packages. These are not the only model of Tesla they have here. They have every model Tesla here. Here's some Model S's, some different colors, styles, and you got your Model Ys and Model X's. Hey, and maybe you're not interested in a Tesla and you're looking for a different type of EV. They have the Hyundai IONIQ5s and the very spacious Kia EV9. Whatever your EV desires are, I'm sure you will find a car here. They have many to choose from. As you can see, come down, try one out for a test drive, see if they have the right one for you. And they have a very cool waiting room with lots of activities and refreshments for you guys. Come take a look for yourself.